Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Before we proceed with this update, I would like you to help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video you can be notified. Let's begin it with breaking news from Jonglei State. Well, according to the report, tension is rising again in Jonglei State. The Sudan People Liberation Movement, or Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition, also known as SPLA, has rejected a strong warning issued by South Sudan People Defense Force, SSPDF, Chief of Defense Forces, General Polnang. According to public statement released today, SPLA force based in Pajut area say they will not surrender their weapon. They described the message from General Polnang as a threat and ultimatum that they do not accept. Well, the opposition forces wanted civilians living in Bor town, village around Bor, and along the Bor-Juba road to stay far away from all military bases and SSPDF facility. They say this warning is for the safety of civilians because the security situation is very dangerous. SPLA also spoke about what they call a planned military operation by General Polnang in Jonglei State. They describe this operation as fake and unnecessary. They say if General Polnang wants to move forward, he should not delay it. The group further warned that their forces are ready to confront SSPDF troops on the way. They say clearly that they will not stop their mission toward Juba. Well, because of this statement, fear is growing among civilians. Many people are worried that fighting could start again in Jonglei State and spread to nearby areas. At the moment, the situation remains tense and people are closely watching what will happen next. Let's move on. Kenya grants South Sudanese refugees a new right. This is a message from Kenyan authority. And now we move to Kenya, where a historic decision has been made in Turkana County. The local government of Turkana County has officially given more than 200,000 South Sudanese refugees the right to petition the county assembly. This means refugees can now raise complaints, suggest new law, and speak about problems in their communities. Well, this is a very big change, right? For many years, refugees were seen only as people who need help. Now they are being recognized as part of the community where they live. A report from Kenyan media says that the county assembly changed its rule to allow refugees to participate in this way for the first time. Human rights advocates say this decision is a strong step toward democracy. It gives refugees a voice in decisions that affect their daily life, such as business, rules, security, and local services. South Sudanese refugees are the largest group living in Turkana County, especially in Kakuma refugee camp. Some of them arrived in the 1990s, while many others fled after the South Sudan Civil War started in 2013. However, this good news comes at a very difficult time. Many refugees are suffering because food rations have been reduced and basic supplies are limited. Well, because of this hardship, more than 9,000 South Sudanese refugees returned home late last year, even though South Sudan is still unserved in many areas. A leader hopes that using this new right to petition, refugees can work together with Kenyan officials to improve living conditions, security, and service for those who remain in the camp. Let's move on. This is another sad news. Boat accident in Upper State. We now bring you sad news from Upper State. At least 4 people have died and 10 others were injured after a boat accident in Malut County. According to the report, the incident happened on Tuesday evening around 7 p.m., that boat was traveling along the Na River from Reng to Malakal, according to the State Minister of Information, Peter Wonjo. He stated that the boat was carrying returnees and refugees from Sudan. The International Organization for Migration, also known as IOM, was helping transport them. The passengers were being taken to a transit center in Malakal. From there, some were expected to stay in Malakal, while others were to be moved to Juba or refugee camp. Officials say the boat was carrying about 300 people at the time of the accident. When the accident happened in Malut County, 4 people died immediately. 10 others were injured and rushed to Malut Hospital or Malut Civil Hospital. Authorities confirmed that the injuries or the injured people are receiving medical treatment, and investigations are ongoing to find out what caused the accident. Well, this tragedy highlights the dangers faced by returnees and refugees traveling under difficult conditions. Let's move on. President Salva Kiir Mayardit removed Lake State Governor. President Salva Kiir Mayardit has removed Lake State Governor General Rintweng Mabor after nearly 4 years in office. He has been replaced by Major General Madang Majokmen, according to a presidential decree announced on Monday night. The decision has brought mixed reaction across Lake State. Some residents praise former Governor Rintweng for improving security. Others welcome the change and call on the new governor to address ongoing problems. A youth representative from Rumbek Central County said that security improved during Rintweng term. He said people could move freely at night and cases of road ambush and revenge killing reduced. He urged the new governor to continue improving security, especially Rumbek North, Shebet, and Rumbek Central counties. In Ural West County, another youth leader said he welcomed the president's decision. He described Rintweng as a leader who tried to maintain peace even though economic problems remained. He explained that unpaid salaries and lack of food for security force contributed to looting and public anger. Civil society group also shared their view. The Community Empowerment for Progress organization, known as SEPO, congratulated the new governor. Community Empowerment for Organization urged him to focus on security, reconciliation, and dialogue. They also called for release of detained political figures as a sign of peace and trust. The acting information minister of Lagos State say the change of governor is normal. He asked the residents to remain calm and cooperate with the new leadership. Well, Lagos State has long suffered from violence, cattle raiding, and community conflict. While some credit strong security measure for reducing violence, others say deeper economic and political issues still need solutions. Let's move on. SPLA denies losing control of Pajut town. Finally, we return to Jonglei State, where a report about Pajut town as being disputed. The commissioner of Dukanti claimed that local youths fought to regain control of Pajut town from SPLA forces. He said 48 youths were killed and 34 others were injured during the fighting. Well, according to the commissioner, the youths were angered by the killing of civilians, destruction of property, and looting of the town. However, SPLA strongly denied this claim. A spokesperson for SPLA in Jonglei State said their forces are still in full control of Pajut town. He said there was no fighting and that they have not yet decided their next move. A senior SPLA command also confirmed that the group remain in control of Pajut. Because of this conflicting report, the true situation on the ground remain unclear. But according to SPLA, they say they are in control. Well, in conclusion, these developments show how fragile peace remains in South Sudan. Civilians continue to suffer the most, whether through conflict, displacement, or accident. We call on all leaders to choose dialogue over silence and over violence, and to protect innocent life. Thank you for watching Changfied YouTube channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more trusted news update. Bana rai gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel mi jira mi jidid gwasame gor jeno jin de channel de support de subscribe ko bele ko la gwasame bikan chamala shubkaji gwasan pai ka bridge. Report ban lingwas me balaro jadana chala dor shal ka me Jonglei ngai kon yala Jonglei ka jan gwasa me tere ko rete wan chairman ngai kon natural teten Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition man shal ke SPLA take a warga me cha gor ke jo me chala de SSPDF Chief of Defense Force with shal ke General Polnang te me chalat jo mo charger jak kuma SPLA ka jo me chalat gwasa me no wa te ke jo machalat kume SSPDF no jo chalat gwasme la wudi shalka me Chief of Defense Force la General Polnang chenete konda tela SPLA yo chege jogo no kwa surrender en walle ke jen jo dana chakula loje kume SPLA yo tikala do nene Pajut tet kedien no kana shikan bi surrender kana buona kan ka wawon yam kana man chala da General Polnang kani kach chetok General Polnang teleje duomi modere di modere yala region de ne saranta shi SPLA ai wuci kala da wonene ngone ka wonyam ko bine ka juba shika report kan kula da wonene jong nei ne de kontra civilian tintere wi ka Town eno waje rudun dor shalka mabur civilian ka wai ka rodian amani humanitarian organization tintere gwada mo kid workers aka wai ka rodian doramo ko kur jatin re wucin winimi cikan joma cikan lat cikana jogon wonene waje rudun ke SSPDF military base ki garrison ki SSPDF facility ena dorm to kuma SPLA yotin kuma SSPDF tin chana jogon waje rudun tin en mi shirkana me kana woni mi kana top ka kam kana te kona civilian so mi civilian mi kan kalien bi kana shunga jagwan o shaga jogon waje rudun bo shirkame dana chana joga Pajut ano chwar waje rudun rewich SPLA my spokesperson yala da wonene ajanna me a plan mi chala ne je kum shalka me kum SSPDF marwaike General Polnang ki dinin counter waike General Polnang ka Jonglei state cikala da wonene kan man chala General Polnang ajane akach cikala da wonene mi General Polnang te ko der ne mak ka Pajut ke gwada ne tin amu mi sebe amu ko delay ka je so ci SPLA yo cikala no ajano tele kormi be ka kanatin county la SSPDF kan buni ne ka woni am ka joran kala gwasame kan they are ready anytime you come SSPDF kan ka mako kan ba ka je ready all the time ka jom kan lat kan de ni ken de na SPLA yo ka ready anytime ki SSPDF chobana biga derum ka ke kuma SPLA yo cikala no mission dia cikana ba kapchong bor mission dia ajen kan we ka juba yen gwaldan wugatin so ke statement mishit kan me jo chala da ken chinerun wantin bor chidwal cheben ka civilian anu kur ngode we ka wanyam alo Jonglei state agwa kur tam ka jan gwasme munyono mo situation beje kwane de kontela civilian kwale jugono yen woje rudun chwartire wich bor ka ki kurandan en le roda so na me mi chalat no ka jodana chalat ke je ka de konti ka liende ko gor ko na ban kon dia lat ko dien ban ka ngach ko kuma SPLA yo michigan woni kana tub la ja gor no ba je ling anetin konti la civilian amani humanitarian aids humanitarian workers ko mo ko mute tuog ne ko la we chujurun kane ko la jiwu jala civilian ne ko na shaji kor cha ko jogno yen woje rodun ka base ni tin konti la base la military base ning SSPDF cha jo mo cha je ko ne kan Tekon ke report mi jidid gwasame report mo bere wika Kenya ka South Sudanese refugees take chwong macha kamni konti la South Sudanese refugees bana jilin ka report me chala do ne ala Kenyan authority kene konti la Kenya take jo michikana latlet wa take decision michikana realika and decision mo dor shalke Turkana County kajan Kenya chikala no shikane konti la South Sudanese refugees shikana moika chwong ke jikan ka moika gwat ka jo michala gwaseme wa local government mentera wiki Turkana County wa shikan ala do ne chikan South Sudanese chopke kinoti kudangaro 200,000 South Sudanese refugees wa chaga mo ke chuang ko bika deal te alaji wot ka bikanen konlet kenke bikanka lat ki any malaria diana bikana address Canadian county laji community ka lo biga la part of Kenyan government ka Turkana county ka jeri pore me tikala do ne kan ngodi al en ngot gor ko mo ne county la South Sudanese kani mugor kana de ladone ka community dian area ga chui kamo kani chaga kamo bikana address ka Turkana an binimi wane me change medit man chala de ne county ka Turkana karun dial ngai kone ne dial county la South Sudanese sintre ga Kenya kan ka men kam chances me chit kana me en refugees la da gi no ram mo cha de lok no kiram mo metelwang and tema chikane guje no bikan South Sudanese community tiji te karun tungwan bikan kan lok chira michalinga ne chopke kinatu kudangraw wacha ka exabno bikan a part of Turkana ka jodan chalat keje chikinya media chikan jo me chikan lado magwalong cha ka jogo no ne atin kalwang wo biyeru na mat ka kanta assembly mite ka rule ke te ka won mi yat ka pin biyen interfere ke biyeru na matin kajo chalat gwase me human right advocate kala do decision me gwalong ko chere ka democracy ke charan cha mu ka freedom kan kon la South Sudanese ano any decision lat ka morai go ka Turkana county biga dileten jet ko man cha kam ke de randa take business midel lat en cha ne dialo cha kam chunga ku security kan ba ka gang chere ne ko ken cha kam local service botelat ke ju wa bigan ga dilat ko ka ne ti jen jet ka jodan chalat gwase me South Sudanese refugees wangwan ke longa Turkana chet ke ka kuma refugee kem wangwan kenten tana te chumne ke 1990s ni ke ron kit kel ku bangon jumbangwan ngur ke tin chumen teme ke tana te shup ke 2013 ke ron kin dang rod wadyok wane dial tike ka doro mom shal ke ka kuma refugee kem cha kula do ne ken these 200,000 refugees South Sudanese refugees cha ga mu ke chuanko enaran dere cheng ka chang dan no ko je ke je cha jo me cha je la dinono ne me le rodo but cha kula do na chuiken ne county la refugees gwasama gwada dan chuich refugees ten chala do ne share shindian cha jango chermi ngai kone sham kene wa cha jango re wucin winami mi jaga ko ci chiang che beje lonka ke cha la do ka jen kujamo chala do ne ri shop ke kinadang bangwan ka jarwon en paiwa la ruwan kin daro jandang ro di diech chala do chineri shop ke kin damo wan chi lo jog re wich ka South Sudan a shangamen to ko te ri ka South Sudan wa cha jan no bikan lo jog ko chuina ka kuma kem boraina o ke janta chala no cha ga mo ke chuon ko bi ke chingala jiwich kani di 200,000 ati ka dora chalat ka Turkana chala do ken don bi ke tigdian bikan ger ka jora na chala ke jogwas mene wana ka report do dian gwasme ne me a report ke accident mi chitwok dora shal ka mo apnal state ejen banalingona wana ka penal state gwan mishire ke toktin ke report chanon gwas me chala do ne di chop ke mwan chikliu gwan mishi bote yaktin ka nei to ko kene shamu ke bot ke report ana chanon mi konlinga chala do ka shankara ka jok ka ta barra wala 7 pm ka tiang wachi bot che yak ka bodo mo wachi ga na te mo ka bot ka chana che ga nak en bodo mo wajele ka na river we karang jena karang ko le waka malakal jen gwada na wuri go tokten yenen karang ko lo malakal ka report chala the Minister of Information wuri chala Peter Ngonjo jene bot cabinet one ne de kabe ke South Sudanese refugees de ko larano ke refugees tin jen ka Sudan kana wane ko na kuga transport gwasme organization actual ke International Organization for Migration man yaka shudi IOM lo chaka ko ba kana kamala kal chaka mo ke bon ti jalka ke Canada content nanga gwas mi ke passengery wajen ko la wudin ka malakal wade ke malakal yen gwa dong de ko pekten mi chu malakal wa tanin dong de ko nanga juba ke tandien de ko te karofuji kam ko jodan chalat ke je en bodo mo wa cabinet shop ke kudang dok te terede ne re token dial wa kanitin content la South Sudanese refugees Erega mo ring michitwok ano chane de to chaga chunang re wicha ka malakala wane dang wane kone chiliu wa chaga nang ka malut sibil hospital yan gwa dana chaga nang tin Enrique mo agenda na chitok cha authorities can confirm and open the talk South Sudanese tani ndong bu pega malakal tani bu we juba cha report mo cha jala deken wana ka right dian mi chalat gwaseme kirma yadi te ka kwerme jokwan gude shalke rin twen jana kwer wuji chalke Lagos State cha kwanya la governor cha ja wika governorship jana rin twen mabor jana wacha tene karun dangwan kwer ka office antama cha la do cha je joj ban la nyoje kala radian mi jiram jid gwas me gorojin bi chan bi nyani ko ken bi atamal bye bye